Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to cook the perfect rice all the time. This is BLFTv and I'm your girl Fayna. Okay, so for this demonstration we're going to use a long grain rice, and only thing you need is water and the rice. That's it, simple, water and rice, and you can cook rice just like that. For recommendation, I would advise you to use some salt just to enhance the flavor, but for me I go a little more further than that because I'm a Caribbean girl. I have to spice it up using some garlic, some green onion, which is scallion, and of course some butter, right? And this would give you the rice you're looking for. Step one of the process is washing your rice. Very important step. You want to wash your rice to get rid of the excess starch. In doing so, you wash your rice at least 3 or more until the water is clear. That way you know your rice has been properly washed. Step 2 of the process is your rice to water ratio. For this exercise, we're using the long grain white rice. The typical ratio for white rice is 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice. We're going to use 2 cups of rice, so therefore we're going to use 2 cups of water. Now, if I was using brown rice, the ratio would be much higher. So if I'm using 1 cup of brown rice, I would use 1.5 cup of water. Step 3 of the process is to start on high heat or high flame. Now would be the perfect time to add our ingredients that are optional: a pinch of salt, garlic, butter, and scallion. Take note that the rice is sitting below the surface of the water. In the next step, I will tell you when it's a good time to turn down the flame. Step 4 of the process, you want to bring your water to a boil and let it continue boiling until your rice swells and reaches the level of the water. For me, this process takes about 8 minutes, 7-8 minutes. The next step is to turn your flame all the way down to simmer or low. You want to make sure your cover stays on and no temptation to open it. I let my rice steam for an additional 7 minutes. This brings it total 15 minutes. At this point, I'm going to turn off my flame and let my pot remain covered for an additional 5 minutes. The perfect rice all the time. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, guys, so you can see additional videos how to salvage rice and other stuff. Anyway, guys, keep safe and do have yourself a blessed day.